Hello and welcome back to my channel again. I'm KK. My channel name is Travels with KK, and today I'm going to show you a recipe which I developed. My wife has developed on her own, and you can call it as Mangalorean style chili chicken. It's a chili chicken with a bit of gravy, which goes along very well with the rice. Also, it goes along very well with the paratha. We are going to have it with paratha today, and I can assure you it's really spicy, really easy to make. You can make it in a very few steps and enjoy the dish. So not many ingredients are required. It tastes as good as any other chili chicken. It's not a classic style of chili chicken. It's our own bit of semi-gravy type, So without wasting any time, let's go to our kitchen. I'll explain you step by step how to do it. Please prepare it at your home, at your convenience, and please enjoy and let me know how it tasted. One thing. Secondly, if you have any doubts, please put it in the comment section. I'll explain you or I'll clear all your doubts. Okay. So let's go to my kitchen, and so please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends. I need a very wide circulation so that my channel can succeed actually. So this is our new venture. So our family has developed. Me, my son, and my wife are running this channel. So we want your support. So earnestly request you all to support and subscribe to my channel, and also recommend to your friends. Thank you very much. Let's go to the kitchen and watch. Come. So this recipe is of chili chicken, Mangalore style, our local style of chili chicken. And for this marination, we have taken 3 ingredients, and this is haldi powder, 1 teaspoonful, and this is red chili powder. You take a spicy type of red chili powder, Kashmiri chili powder. We here use MTR powder, 2 teaspoonful. If you want it more spicy, take a little more. And this is 1 teaspoonful of salt. We have taken the powdered table salt, and these 3 are mixed together, and it's put in the chicken. This is half a kg of chicken, and this is after the marination. The same ingredients, they are mixed, and it's transferred to the chicken, and is nicely marinated. And after the marination, you add 1 teaspoonful of ginger garlic paste. So after this, this is also mixed, and this entire marinated chicken is transferred to the refrigerator. It's kept in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. 30 minutes is more than enough for the marination. After 30 minutes, we'll start the preparation. I'll show you how to do it. So next we have taken these ingredients, and this is green chilies, around 9 to 10 split medium size chilies. If you want more chilies, if you want more spicy, add more chilies. And these are curry leaves about a handful, and curry leaves gives a good flavor. And this is a small size capsicum cut into pieces. If it's large size, you can make a half of you can use half of capsicum. So these are 5 to 6 garlic pods, split, cut into pieces, and this is a bit of ginger to give the flavor. So these things will be added in a kadai, and the chicken will be added to these things will be added to the marinated chicken, and 2 tablespoons full of oil will be added to that, and it will be fried in the kadai. So now we have taken crushed ginger, and garlic in a small kadai or a pan, and we have added curry leaves, and we have added a bit of jeera, and now the green chilies which are split, they're added. And now capsicum has been added, a small size capsicum or half big size, which is cut into pieces. It's nicely sauteed, stirred with a stirrer. We should allow it to fry for about 5 minutes. It's being fried very nicely. So we'll allow it to fry for about 5 minutes. Then the next stage will come. Now the marinated chicken has been transferred to a vessel, and the fried garnishings which I showed earlier, it has been added. Around 2 glasses of water has been added now to make it a bit thin. So what I'm showing is a semi-gravy type. 2 glasses of water has been added. So after adding 2 glasses of water, we transfer it to the cooker. Now it's in the cooker, pressure cooker. So this has been boiled in the cooker for up to 2 whistles, I can say. So now it is cooker has been opened, and this is how it looks. This will be transferred onto a vessel. So this is transferred to the vessel. So the gas flame is set to sim, medium flame, and a bit of salt is added, bit of salt. Uh, 1 teaspoonful of soya sauce, dark soya sauce. So 1.5 teaspoonful of coriander powder has been added. So jeera powder, about the same quantity, 1 to 1.5, 1.5 teaspoonful. So garam masala powder, 1 teaspoonful. So this is allowed to cook for about 10 minutes. It is already half cooked in the pressure cooker. Now 10 more minutes is covered. So after 10 minutes of boiling, a pinch of sugar is added. It gives a combined Swedish chili taste.
Add it with water.
2 teaspoonful of corn flour has been added to water, and it's being added now. 2 teaspoonful of corn flour diluted with water. It is added. So it gives a bit of a body to the gravy, a bit of thickness to the gravy. It's allowed to cook. It's allowed to cook for about 6 to 7 minutes further. This is done. It looks like this, and we like it with this kind of a consistency. It's a semi-gravy, spicy, and if it is this kind of a consistency, that we can easily have it with the paratha. And here is the paratha being prepared. This is a ready-made paratha, so I am not telling any recipe about it. It's been opened from a ready-made packet which is available in the supermarkets. What we get here is called as ID paratha. It's very nice. You can buy that. If you want it to be a little more thick, you can leave a little more time. But it's usually not necessary. It tastes better with this kind of a consistency. It's well cooked, and I tasted a bit. It tastes really, really good and spicy. And in case you want it a little sour, so you can add a bit of lime juice if you want. So otherwise, just leave it. So this is the easy. This can be made very easily with very easy steps. So this is it. In case you have any doubts, please put in the comment section, and I'll be very, very happy to answer those. Thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Please support my channel, and please share this video with your friends. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye.